Ever dreamed of getting paid to play games? Now it's possible. Hi, welcome to Gaming Job, the internet's #1 source for video game tester jobs since 2008. The gaming industry is now bigger than ever. From mobile phones, online games, and home consoles, video games are everywhere, and it's now the most profitable industry, even overtaking the billion-dollar movie business. And these game companies spend millions to compete and make the best games possible. That's where you come in. You see, before any game is released to the public, they look for people just like you to test games and give their honest and unbiased review of the game. This helps game developers to polish and fix errors to the game, which results in a better and more enjoyable gaming experience. And a better game leads to more sales for the game company. With our help, we can connect you to all of the major gaming companies and instantly have access to thousands of work-at-home video game tester jobs, location-based testing jobs and schedules, online surveys and paid reviews, various gaming jobs, plus video tutorials and guides to help you get started with your video game tester career. Best of all, you can join today, risk-free. Sign up for our 7-day trial today and start your very first video game tester job minutes from now. So what are you waiting for? Join now and get paid to play games today.